Pre-installation. Part list. Pre-installation notice. Installation steps. Step 1. Shut off the main inlet valve. Turn on the faucet to release the pressure inside the pipe, and rotate the filter switch to the on state. Step 2. Take out the 3/4 FMT and 1 MNPT adapter. Insert the threaded union into the union nut and install the white gasket. And install the assembled adapter on both sides and tighten it with a wrench. Step 3. Wrap more than 10 loops of Teflon tape on the external thread of the union on both sides. Install 2 3/4 in FNPT female adapters on the adapter, and tighten it with a wrench. Step 4. Finding out the installation position of the filter. Fix the hanging plate on the wall through the expansion screw, and put the whole filter on the hanging plate to ensure the system level. Step 5. Cut off the appropriate length of the PEX pipe. Fix the pipe on the system with 2 3/4 in. Step 6. Install the Quick Connect threaded connector on the drain port, and then insert the drain tubing into the Quick Connect threaded connector. Ensure that the tubing is inserted in place. You can lead the drain to sewage outlets or a bucket. Step 7. Attach and turn the filter handle to backwash. Slowly open the main inlet valve. When water flows, close the outlet and check for leaks. Open the drain valve for about 3 minutes to purge the air from the system, and then check whether there is water leakage. After the valve is shut off, and screw the filter switch handle to on. Step 8. Open the water faucet and flush for 3 minutes. The system can be used normally. Maintenance and replace the PP filter element. Step 1. Screw the filter switch handle to off. Open the drain valve and release the pressure in the pipe. Step 2. Place the wrench on the fixed collar. Make sure the handle fits into the lock ring slot, and unscrew the lock ring clockwise. Take out the whole filter element. Screw the upper cover counterclockwise and pull out the upper cover. Step 3. Remove the old PP cotton filter element and put the new PP cotton filter element into the filter element shell. Install the top cover and tighten clockwise to ensure that the top cover is locked. Step 4. Put the filter element back to the filter case. Step 5. Tighten the filter head and retain ring with a wrench.